All right, everybody, this is the Royal Kludge RK100 mechanical keyboard. Now, this is a 96% keyboard. You can use it wireless or wired, and it has hot swappable switches. Now, the 96% meaning all the keys are present, and some of the keys are shrunken down, and then all the keys are crammed together. There's several different selections of switches that come with it. So I went with the Gateron red switches. There's also the Gateron blue switches. Those are the clicky versions, and the Gateron brown version. Those are the tactile, but no click. Now, I got this keyboard on Amazon. It was $90 shipped, which I thought was a pretty good deal. A couple weeks ago, I did buy the Royal Kludge. This is the RK68. Now, this is a 65% keyboard. And you can see the difference here. On the back here, as you can see, I made a couple. I bought these little aftermarket feet to put on the back because I need it angled up a little bit more. It sits a little bit too flat for me. So I bought these little extra feet here. Anyway, I am missing my number pad. Hashtag numpad life. So anyway, the RK100. Now this guy, you see the backlit right there. Got my number pad. The only thing with it is right here. The 0 is usually a double unit, but here, in order to squash everything together and make it nice and compact and neat, they had to halven the size of the 0 key, which is fine, as long as it's there. Inside of the box, in case you wanted to see the box, this is the box it comes in. It's a nice compact box. It's just big enough to fit the keyboard in it. But inside the box is obviously the book, which I lost already. All right, it comes with a couple extra red switches and a metal keycap puller, and also a white USB-A to USB-C cable. What I like about this keyboard, you can use it wired or wireless. When I say wireless, you can use it either Bluetooth or 2.4 gigahertz. At the bottom here, let me unplug this guy real quick. First of all, the build quality, there's no flex in it. Like, I can't twist it. It doesn't feel cheap at all. I mean, it feels like plastic because it's a plastic body, but it doesn't feel like cheap plastic. All the keys are there. They work. They feel good. Let's see, on the back here, under here, I have not pulled this thing apart yet, so I don't know how big the battery is actually. But right here, you have your, let's see if I can get it in focus, but this is, you turn it on or off. If you have it in the off version and you want to use it wired, so you have to have it in the off version and then plug in your wire into your computer, then it'll work. If you want that wireless, then you have to flip the switch. And then over here is your wireless version. If you want to put it in Bluetooth or in 2.4 gigahertz version. And right here is your 2.4 gigahertz dongle. And I really like that. It also has 2 kick-up feet right here with the rubber feet, with rubber stoppers there. So it's not going to go anywhere. You can put those down if you want. You got 2 USB-A, and then there's your USB-C port. Now, you notice on my other keyboard, the 65%, it did not have the kick-up feet. These have the kick-up feet, and it puts it at just a slight angle for me. And now this is completely comfortable for me to type at. I love the backlighting. There's several different effects, which I can show you right now. You see that pretty good right here in the light. Hold down the function key, and I believe it's the print screen. Yep, there it goes. Let me see if I can turn off the light so I can show you the lighting effects here. Let's see, how's that look? Function. And here's the different lighting effects. And then you can speed up or slow down the effect. You can speed it up here. Let's just make it a little bit faster. Now this one here, when you hit the key, it'll light up. Oh, look at that. Now, one thing I am going to say that I don't like about this keyboard right now is, you see those little, you can see like the little circles inside the keys. they don't shine any light through. It's just like an opaque thing. So it has this like weird effect. I don't like that at all. Luckily, a little while ago, I purchased some keycaps. You see how it's translucent in there? I will be swapping out these keycaps. Pull this key out. So I have the get around red switches, and you can see the light shining through there. And here's my translucent Q. Let's pop that guy in. Look at that. Nice and easy. Look, that's going to be so much better. See the light shining through that? Oh yeah, that's going to be way better. And we'll just hold that in there for the rest of the video. A couple of dislikes is I already showed you the one where you can see the little circles in all of these keys here. And let me check to see. Let me turn the lights off real quick. The key that I'm replacing it with, see, it's different. It's a thicker keycap, and you can't see the little circle through it. So it's going to be perfect. Only thing that shines through is the legend right there. So another one is the on and off switches are at the bottom. So if I have this in wireless mode, flip under here and turn that off. Whenever I'm not using it, and then when I come back in, I'll turn it back on. Because I'm pretty sure with all this backlighting, the battery won't last too long. But other than that, I like it. I like it a lot. This is going to be my daily driver down here in my workspace. And we can do a quick typing test. Let me see what we got. There you go. 70 words per minute. I know, not the fastest in the world, but hey, pretty good, man. I love this keyboard so far. I'm glad I got it. Thank you for checking out the video. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.